So come to the last theorem, theorem 8.7. So theorem 8.7 is the converse of theorem 8.6. So theorem 8.7 states that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. Okay. So in this case, already given that diagonals are bisect. Suppose let us consider a quadrilateral ABCD, where the diagonals AC and BD bisect at the point O. So we have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. So let ABCD be a quadrilateral whose diagonals AC and BD bisect at O. We have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. So all of you know that if in case of a quadrilateral, if both the opposite pairs are equal, then it becomes a parallelogram. Or if in case of a quadrilateral, if one opposite pair of sides are equal and parallel, then it also becomes a parallelogram. So now if suppose you prove these two triangles congruent, okay, then automatically this AB side and this CD side will be equal. Okay, again if these two triangles are congruent, then automatically this angle will be equal to this angle. Corresponding parts of corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So if these two angles are equal and these two angles are actually alternate interior angle, that means AB must be parallel to CD. So already suppose you prove AB, if you prove in one time AB equal to CD and second time suppose AB parallel CD, then automatically ABCD becomes a parallelogram. Okay. So just take triangle. So proof in triangle AOB and triangle COD. So AO equal CO, given we say that the diagonals actually bisect each other. That means this part equal to this part and this part equal to this part. Again, angle AOB equal to angle COD, which is vertically opposite angles, these two angles. Okay. Again, BO equal to DO, which is also given. So therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD, which is side angle side. So therefore, corresponding parts AB equal to CP. Thus you give mark 1, and you have to remember this one. So I write here AB equal to CD, which is 1. Okay. Again, corresponding parts also you can write angle OAB, this angle equal to this angle, equal angle OCA. OAB equal to OCA, which is CPCD. Okay. So now instead of OAB, you can write angle CAB, and instead of OCA, you can write angle ACA. Okay. But these two angles are alternate interior angle alternate interior angles formed by the sides AB and CD with the transversal AC. Okay, these two angles actually are alternate interior angles and they are formed by the sides AB and CD with the transversal AC, and both are equal, so therefore AB parallel to C, which is number 2. So now from 1 and 2 we get AB parallel CD and AB equal CD. AB equal CD, right first. AB equal CD and AB parallel CD. So therefore ABCD is a parallelogram.